As veterinarians and animal care professionals, we all want our patients to do as well as they possibly can. We want them to not be in pain, we want them to be as relaxed and stress-free as possible, and we want them to survive the experience of whatever horrible thing happened to them that brought them into our care. We want as many as possible to get released again as healthy wild animals.
For a wild bird, the wash process is super stressful, so International Bird Rescue and Tri-State Bird Rescue and Research are conducting a study to assess whether we can improve the welfare of wild birds that need to be washed by sedating them in order to reduce overall stress.
In this study, we are washing real patients admitted to the International Bird Rescue and Tri-State Bird Rescue and Research with contaminated feathers. Through a randomized selection process, some birds receive chemical sedation for their wash process and some do not. We collect data on a variety of parameters throughout the bird's wash and rehabilitation.
For decades, the standard has been to wash oiled birds while they are awake, but this is incredibly stressful. With this study, we are hoping to find out whether we can reduce their stress by using sedative drugs, and by doing that, improve patient outcomes and increase the number of birds that make it to release.
Our hospitals frequently receive birds that have been contaminated by oil and other contaminants and will need to be washed. For this study, we're using our real patients because they'll genuinely need to be washed. The only difference from our normal clinic wash operations is that each bird is being randomly selected to either be sedated for wash or awake for wash.
Why collaborate? What benefits does that provide? Collaboration helps to divide the responsibilities and multiplies the success. It creates a unified mission where we can accomplish more together than we would apart.
I love being able to collaborate with others and together be able to blend our knowledge and passion for saving wildlife. The more minds, the more advancements we make.
Why conduct this research? Just because something has always been done in a particular way does not mean it's the best way. I think it's important to continue to ask ourselves questions and to find out what treatments and techniques are best for our patients and their caretakers.
Chemical sedation as an alternative to manual restraint has gained popularity among veterinarians in a variety of settings for many reasons, including decreased stress for patients, decreased physical exertion for handlers, ability to perform a more thorough procedure due to reduced patient movement, shortened length of procedure, and improved outcomes for patients.
Why are we doing this study? For the betterment of the birds, of course.
This study has been funded through a grant from the Oiled Wildlife Care Network at the University of California at Davis.